Hi viewers, today we are here with another video of Primavera P6. In our last video, we have learned how to create EPS in Primavera P6, and after that, we have created a project within this EPS. So now, after creating a project, we have learned how to create WBS, work breakdown structure of the project. So we have learned three things regarding Primavera P6. Now after that, after moving forward and making activities, making relationships, assigning the resources and other things, making the Gantt chart, S curves, histograms, the first thing is to make calendar, because calendar has the main element that will plan your project, because everything in your schedule is based on dates, and if you didn't select a proper calendar, then your planning will be definitely disturbed. Or if you select by default calendar and your realistic dates are different from the default calendar, then your project will also be disturbed. Now, in this video, I will tell you how you can create your calendar and how you can assign your calendar to your projects. Now, viewers, on your screen, this is our EPS, and under this EPS, this is uh, our project, which is Mabela Tower. Because actually, I am in Mabela, so I name it Mabela. You can name as per your requirement. And in this project, we have created WBS in our last class. So now we can open from here. This is project. Now here, these are the WBS that we have created in our last class. So viewers, now what we have to do, now you can see here, we have to assign a calendar. So for assigning the calendar, first of all go to enterprise, and in enterprise you can see calendar here. In some cases calendar is here. You can select by here. When you will select calendar, when you select on globe, these are the calendar that are by default. Primavera uh, P6 has some calendar which are by default. You can select from here, but it's depend upon your project and your ground realities according to holidays, working times, overtimes. And this is the resource calendar. Viewers, resource calendar normally do not used in our project planning. We will use global calendar if there is a calendar that meet our ground realities, but normally we will make our own calendar for the project, because every project may have separate calendar. Mean if your project is in one city and another project in another city, there may be a difference in calendar, maybe a working hours difference, maybe any holiday, any occasion, any event. So viewers, most of the planner make separate project calendar for the project. So you have to select this project, and after this you have to click add. When you will click add, there are few calendars that are present in Primavera by default. You can select this new calendar. When you will select this new calendar, your calendar will be created. After that, you can name your calendar, because our project is Mabela Tower, so we will name it Mabela Tower calendar. You can name it by your choices. After that, you can modify this calendar. Select this calendar, go to modify. When you will click on modify, on this screen you can modify your calendar. Now this screen is showing the Friday in other color, other gray color. It's mean this is non-working day. Here you can see the legends. This color is standard mean working day, this is non-working day, and this is exceptional, maybe any occasion, any event on a particular day you can mention here. So because in Oman, in Gulf, there is a Friday as a holiday, so that is why I make this holiday. But in your country, if any other day is a holiday, just simply go to the day. If Sunday is in most of the world, the Sunday is the holiday. Just click Sunday and click here on non-working. When you will click non-working, you can see all Sunday days are now colorful. After that, so it's depend upon you which day you want to make holiday. So we will proceed with Friday as a holiday, so just we click on Sunday and make it a working day. Now here you can see the Sunday is working day. Only 6 days are working, if because this is a project calendar. But in some consultancy calendar, in client calendar, there are 2 holidays. Then we will make the other day also non-working day. It's depend upon your work nature. So we are making a project calendar and a construction calendar, so we make only Friday as a holiday. Viewers, after that you can see here work. Here is a written work hours per day, mean on each day how much work you will do. And there is 8 hours because our company work 8 hours per day. You can change here. If your work company work 10 hours, you can put 10 here, and you will see 10. But modify. But here is there is a problem. The whole calendar every day working hour per day is 8 hours. But if your company do 10 hours per day, then if you select from here, I mean if you just change 10 here, the only that particular days hours will be changed, but the remaining days will be 8 hours. So how you will make this for the whole calendar, that for your whole project the calendar for every day working hours will be 10 days. Now simply just click here detail work hour per day, and here there is a sheet which is worksheet, and worksheet time period. Here you can select hours per day. Your company work 8 hours per day, just select here. After that, hours per week mean there are 6 days we are working and 8 hours per day, or 10 hours per day. It's upon your requirement. So 8 6 the 48 hours per week, and there are hours per month, mean how many hours you will do per month. We are working 8 hours per day, and 8 multiplied by 30 240 hours per day per week we are working. And this is hours per year. You have 240 hours per month, so multiply it with 12 month, 2880. So that is how we have uh, restrict our calendar for the whole project, that every day has the 8 number of hours. So that is how you can make the calendar. And now we will learn how we will assign the calendar to our project. Because for that, this is our project Mabella, and under Mabella these are the WBS. So just you have to click the project. These are activity. In activity you cannot change the calendar. If you will click here, nothing will happen. Just go to the projects. When you will go to the project, select your project, and this is our project. And under project, these are the option, and in these option go to defaults. In defaults, because Primavera has default calendar, so always Primavera assign this calendar to the project. So from here we can change. We have selected from option, there is a Mabella Tower calendar that we have made. Just double click on it, and now your project has the calendar that you made for this particular project. So viewers, that is how you can make the calendar, and you can modify the calendar, and you can assign the calendar to your required project. So viewers, in next class we will learn how we can make OBS organization breakdown structure, which is very important for any project. Thank you.